Hey, welcome back everybody. I'm in the bathroom and the bathtub spigot is just dripping, drip, drip, drip. So one thing about these tubs, some of them have an access panel. This one doesn't have an access panel. So it would be a lot of work to cut this all out and put in a new fixture and all. So what we try to do is get parts and washers and stuff, and we just try to fix the stems that are on here, because we don't want to do all that work today. And I'm sure at your house you'd rather avoid a big expense. Before I do it though, show you how to fix this leak, please like and subscribe, share the video. It really helps me out and it'll make me happy. But here, let me get started. So you're going to take off this sleeve right here, and inside here you're going to find your stem. Now your stem has maybe you may have to jolt it around a little bit because it has these two little ears on it right here, if you could see that go inside, and sometimes it's hard to get off. Now inside, these are, I thought these were Glacier Bay, so originally we bought the wrong stems, but we went back. This is a Delta faucet, and it has, the reason you could tell, it has these little like boots in them, okay, like a little, this spring goes inside this little boot, okay, and that's what causes it not to have a leak. Now this is the old one here that I took out, and if you, I don't know if you could see it or not, but if you look at that real carefully, you could see just a little spot that's missing out of the top of this. Okay, it's right there. So that's what's causing this thing to leak. We're going to go ahead and change the valve out anyway because I have it all off. So I went and put a new one of these in. There's a little spot in the back you have to kind of feed it into. So I usually put my screwdriver and get it in the hole, and then you just push it in with your finger. And then this is our new valve. This is a Delta. Okay. And in the meantime, so it would fit the other stem, I cut off the ear on that. So I had to go buy another ear, another stem extension, which is right here. See how it has that little ear on it for that actually catches onto this little ear, which is on this valve. Okay, so the valve I bought this time, and see how there's discoloring and everything, so I figured I'd just change that one out. The other one looks pretty good. So these valves here, they come with a spring and a new boot. That's how you know it's a Delta too. This boot is stuck in here. So I take this out. This doesn't belong in here, so if it's in there you got to take it out. Take it out, and it also comes with a spring, which is right here. That's going to go in first, and then you're going to push your new valve in. Okay, you want to make sure that the ears are lined up with the inside. These ears have to go into the little grooves that are in here. So you're going to line that up. Push it in there best you can. Make sure it's lined up. Okay, then you're going to throw the new extension on, which is right here. That's going to go on here like so. and then your sleeve's going to go over top of that, and you're going to twist that back on, and then hopefully you'll have no leak. So that's how that's done. Like I said, all this stuff is for to help you save money on your repairs. Like I said, if you're going to pay somebody to rip this all out, and then you get involved in, you know, having to put in a new tub or whatever, because these panels, I mean, if sometimes you can reach them from the back, and if there's sheetrock, it's easier to cut that out instead of cutting this front part out. But if you can avoid cutting this all out and not going to all that expense, why not do it? So this is a video. It's a Delta stem for hot and cold on the shower. You see the tub spout there? Okay, so if you have a problem, follow this video and you should be able to save some money. Thanks for coming.